Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to Easy Blender by Mr.Tomato. So this is gonna be the overview of the whole fiddle crab series. Now, right now at the time of the recording, there is two videos: the first one and the second one. While in this series, I'm going to be uploading 4 episodes, and I'm here to inform what are those four, each what we're gonna do in each of them. Yeah. So without further ado, let's go. So the first one, we're going to be making the body of our crab, the base where everything is. So we're not gonna add colors or anything. It's not that complicated if you are a little bit used to edit mode. And then the second one is pretty long because we're gonna learn the how to make the leg and the inverse kinematics stuff. So yeah, the second one is about 30 minutes. The third one, we're going to make it actually move. So basically, the leg is kind of like part of the body, but it's not really moving. It's not sliding on the floor. So it's just like on a paper or something. So the third one, we're gonna do the controllers and the box to move it, and then on the fourth one is gonna be a bonus. We're gonna make it blink, and then that's all of them, and the blinking shouldn't be long. So yeah, so that is all the 4 videos. Now, as I said, there are 2 of them out: the first one, the base, and the second one. Well, today at the time is, let me check, today is 18th of May. I'm not gonna upload the crab video yet since it's been like too continuous. So I'm gonna upload something else today. That right now, yeah, 18th of May, I'm gonna upload this video, and the other one is probably gonna be something. And on the 19th of May, which is tomorrow, I will be uploading the third video, and on the 20th of May, I'll be uploading the blinking. So that is the overview. Hope you enjoyed it. I don't know if this is enjoyable, but now you can go watch the others, the video, the first one and the second one that is out. So yeah.